We got Easter coming up next week. You know, a lot of people are trying to limit the amount of times that they're traveling to stores, as well as a lot of the online orders are a little bit behind right now. Slower transit times just because, you know, so many people are ordering everything online right now. So what I did was I put together some different various little detailing kits, you know, as far as like a wash and spray wax kit, a deluxe wax kit, a couple different options that I put together, and then you can order and purchase for, you know, the car lover in your life, say your dad, your uncle, you know, brother, a friend, your mom, whoever, your grandpa, whoever likes to wash or wax their vehicles at home, or maybe they would like to start to since they have a little bit extra time on their hands right now. So I figured this is a good way to, you know, provide a good, you know, little gift that you can get for that person in your life. And I'm also going to be offering free delivery within a 15-mile radius of my house, my apartment down here in Detroit, as well as a 15-mile radius of the Flawless Auto Finish Tailor Shop. So as long as they're within that area, I'm going to deliver it for free personally, being that it would be paid for ahead of time. It'll be contactless delivery, so I can deliver it right to their doorstep, deliver it to you, or I can deliver it to the person who you're getting it for as well. Being that it would be paid for ahead of time, like I said, there wouldn't be any reason that we're going to have to make any contact between each other on the delivery. I would send you a text message a half hour before your delivery's, you know, going to be there, and then I would send another text message once it's actually delivered. You know, I'll even do it like Amazon, take a little picture of it, send you it, you know. But I thought this would be a good option for you guys. Just, you know, if you're looking to get something, you know, some Easter gift for that, you know, person that would be interested in something like this. It's a good way to be able to purchase the gift, get it delivered, you know, no contact made, it's safe, and you're also supporting a small business. So I'll be posting more details on this on Monday. You'll be able to start purchasing the different kits on Monday. All deliveries, like I said, will be made next Friday and Saturday, so they'll be, you know, be there before Easter.